Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most stretchy egg white fondant recipes. Please kindly take a moment and click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, for this recipe I'll be using 1.5 kg of icing sugar, and to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of CMC powder. So I'm going to carefully mix this with my hands slightly, and I'm going to create a well at the center. And at this stage I'm going to break into egg whites. That is the albumin. In case you are looking for the gelatin method of making fondant, I've already made a video on this channel on how to prepare your fondant using the gelatin method. You can click on the above link to watch that. So we are going to separate the two eggs. For this recipe, I'll be using half cup of glucose syrup. But before that, I'm just going to preheat this a little using the double boiling method so that the glucose can dissolve properly. Please ensure that the glucose is properly dissolved before you pour it into the entire mixture. It has to be like a clear liquid solution, as though it's like water, before you pour it into the icing sugar. Please keep in mind that at this stage, I divided the icing sugar into three. Right now, I'm using 1 kg and I left 500 grams such that when it is time to knead, I'm going to use it to knead. And now I'm just going to knead this and move it to a workbench so that I can knead it properly. At the initial stage, you can see that the fondant is not firm enough, and you can clearly not use this to cover a cake. So that is the purpose of leaving the extra 500 gram, which we are going to add in bits gradually until we get the right texture. If you are looking for a good way to cover your cakes, I made a video of how to cover a fondant cake using panela method. You can click on the above link and watch that. It's going to be a direct guide on how to use your fondant to cover your cakes. I do hope you like this video, and I do hope you give this a thumbs up, and please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mama Rukayat. Have a lovely day.